You can make clove water by soaking or boiling cloves in warm water. In this video, we will discuss the top 15 health benefits of drinking clove water every day. Did you know that consuming clove water on a regular basis can have amazing effects on your body? Clove water tastes good and is beneficial for your health. It contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can improve your overall health and well-being. Is it true that drinking clove-infused water can improve digestion, relieve bloating and gas, alleviate indigestion and nausea, and even increase fertility? What are the benefits of drinking cloves water? And how easy is it to make clove water at home? In this video, you will discover 15 amazing health benefits that you can experience by adding clove water to your daily routine. Watch until the end for a simple recipe on how to make clove water at home. Number 1. Experience the amazing benefits of drinking clove water and take control of your heart health. By reducing inflammation in your cardiovascular system, this simple habit can help you prevent heart disease and live a healthier life. So, why not add some cloves water to your daily diet and give your heart the protection it deserves? It's an easy and effective way to care for your heart daily. 2. Clove water can help improve your immune system. Clove belongs to the Myrtaceae family and is considered one of the most powerful herbs for boosting immunity. Did you know drinking cloves water every day can be a game changer for your immune system? That's right. Cloves' antimicrobial properties act like a shield, protecting your body from various infections. Battling respiratory infections can be daunting, but cloves offer a natural remedy. Their antiviral properties effectively alleviate colds, coughs, and asthma symptoms. Drinking cloves water daily can relieve the common cold and flu. By making cloves a daily part of your routine, you can avoid colds and other illnesses, supporting your overall health and well-being. Yes, drinking clove water every day is an effective yet simple way to boost your immune system. Next, clove water is good for your dental health. Including clove water in your oral care routine can do wonders for your dental health. Its antibacterial properties can help kill harmful bacteria in your mouth, leaving your breath fresh and preventing unwanted oral infections. Clove water has natural antibacterial properties that can help freshen your breath and leave your mouth feeling clean. Give this time-honored technique a try and experience its transformative power. 4. Clove water contains a natural compound called eugenol, which is remarkably effective in reducing inflammation. This helps soothe inflammation-related pain and contributes to the healing of conditions like arthritis. Adding cloves water to your daily diet or remedies can offer a natural way to manage pain and discomfort. Cloves in warm water not only tantalize the taste buds, but also act as a detoxifier for the liver. This spice, known for its potent properties, encourages the liver to process toxins more efficiently, leading to improved liver health and function. 6. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for people with diabetes. Drinking clove water comes to the rescue, as regular consumption has been linked to better blood sugar regulation, making this drink a valuable dietary addition for those monitoring their glucose levels. 7. Drinking clove water every day is good for your skin. And let's not forget about the benefits for your skin. Clove water can help purify your blood, creating clearer and healthier skin. Say goodbye to acne and hello to a radiant complexion. Cloves can help you achieve beautiful skin. They are rich in antioxidants, which help fight signs of aging and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. You can improve your skin's appearance by using cloves in your daily skincare routine. 8. Drinking clove-infused water daily can help relieve stress and anxiety. The soothing aroma and properties of cloves provide a sanctuary of relaxation, rendering a sense of calm and well-being. Drinking clove water can work wonders for your digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. With reduced bloating and gas, you can feel lighter and more energetic. Digestive discomfort is common, but drinking cloves water every day can offer relief. Their eugenol content aids in digestion, reducing bloating and gas effectively. 10. Clove water is a natural pain reliever. It is a natural remedy that can help reduce pain, especially toothaches and headaches, and promote comfort and wellness. Clove water can be a natural way to relieve pain without the side effects of medication. It has analgesic properties that make it a good option. 11. Did you know drinking cloves water can be a powerful ally in keeping your immune system strong? Cloves are jam-packed with nutrients and immune-boosting properties that can help your body fight infections and keep you healthy and energized. Why not give your body the extra support it needs to stay healthy and strong by adding some cloves to your life? It's important to take care of yourself, and incorporating some flavorful ingredients into your diet can help. So, why not try something new and exciting today? Harness the natural antifungal power of cloves to empower your body in the fight against fungal infections. By preventing fungi growth, you can take control of your health and feel inspired to lead a natural life. If you have a fungal skin rash, it can be uncomfortable and itchy, but it can be treated naturally with clove-infused water. If you notice any rashes or changes in your skin, it is best to see your doctor, but drink clove water every day for 7 days to help clear up the rash and relieve the itchiness. 13. Do you know that cloves are not only a popular spice, but also great for your digestive health? Yes, you heard that right. Cloves can help stimulate digestion, ease stomach troubles, and promote better nutrient absorption, all of which are essential for a healthy gut. Clove water is a natural antiseptic that can help fight oral bacteria, reduce toothaches, and prevent gum diseases. This leads to a healthier mouth environment. Cloves water is a simple and effective way to improve oral health. Cloves contain significant amounts of manganese, a mineral essential for bone development and strength, aiding in the prevention of bone-related diseases. Nature has bestowed upon us the healing properties of cloves, offering relief from pain and inflammation. With their natural analgesic properties, they serve as a beneficial remedy for headaches and arthritic discomfort. Here are the steps to make clove water at home easily. Take a saucepan and add a cup of water to it. Bring it to a boil. Add 2 whole cloves to the water initially, as they are spicy and savory. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture steep for 15 minutes. Strain the water to remove the cloves and use it as desired. If you do not like the taste of plain clove water, you can add other spices such as ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, or black pepper. Add a teaspoon of sugar, maple syrup, or honey to sweeten your drink. Mix it well and let it dissolve in the water. Drink the clove water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Remember, you can experiment with different spices to create your desired taste. When you drink clove water every day, you could boost your immunity, strengthen your bones, improve your breathing, and alleviate pain. Discover the power of clove water, a natural and effective remedy that can transform your health and well-being. Don't wait any longer. Give it a try today and feel the difference. Reviewing all the facts is wise before diving in. If you are trying cloves in warm water, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.